With me to transform from a natural baddie into a sew-in baddie. I have been wearing my natural hair out for a couple of weeks, but it is getting hotter, so I said, you know what, it might be time to put all of this hair up. So I had to go see my girl Ebony at Ebb Beauty, and as you can see, her quality service is luxury all around from start to finish. You know how we complain about hairstylists not giving full service? Well, Ebony does give full service. She washes, blow dries, she braided down my scalp, she greased it. She even washed the bundles that I brought to her, which I had previously bought from her. And she gave me a glass of wine, sweet white wine, which is my favorite. And y'all, it just truly is a quality service, a luxury service from start to finish. She really knows how to enhance the beauty that we already possess. And look at those curls, the bounce, the shine. I am already a natural baddie, but it's just a different glow and confidence that comes with the sew-in. You know what I mean? So let her turn you from a natural baddie to a sew-in baddie.